Is it possible to enjoy the perks of iMessage on Android to back up iMessage? Frankly, the answer is both intriguing and liberating. There are indeed ways to bring the magic of iMessage to your Android device. And in this tutorial, we shall help you out without the burden of technical hassles. Part 2. How to get iMessage on Android with Beeper. Download Beeper for Mac. Sign up with your waitlist email. Confirm details and save recovery code. On main chat app, pick iMessage. Add networks if needed. Choose iMessage. Enter Apple ID and start. For 2FA, enter code and continue. Enable text message forwarding on iPhone to Beeper Mac. Continue and confirm text forwarding in Beeper app. Install Beeper on Android. Enter your account email. Input verification code. Verify on desktop for chat access. Start receiving new iMessages on Android. Part 3. How to receive iMessage on Android via AirMessage. Install AirMessage server on your Mac. Log in using your Google account. In Mac system preferences, enable messages for AirMessage in automation. Also, in privacy, grant full disk access to AirMessage. Install AirMessage on your Android. Log in, tap chat, enter iMessage recipients' numbers, confirm integration when prompted. Now, send and receive iMessages on your Android. Part 4. How to get iPhone messages on Android using weMessage. Confirm Java in terminal. Download weMessage. Run command in the folder. For errors, open via Apple logo, security and privacy. Enable accessibility in system preferences. In terminal, enter iMessage email and device password. On Android, install weMessage from Google Play. Launch, grant settings access, set as default SMS app. Enter Mac's IP address in the app. Provide iMessage email and password. Setup complete. Now use iMessage on Android. Extra. How to send iMessage to Android from iPhone. In addition to sending or receiving iMessages on Android, some individuals may also desire to transfer their existing messages from iPhones to their Android. In such cases, we recommend using Mobican Transfer for mobile to fulfill your requirements.